In this tutorial, we are going to make this bolt in AutoCAD. So without wasting time, let's begin the tutorial and set the units to 0, 2 decimal places and millimeters. Set limits 0, 0 and 420, 297. Z for zoom and A for all, enter. Now create a circle of diameter 10. Extrude the circle up to 20 mm. Make the grid off or let it be. Now to draw the helix, go to draw and select this helix. Select the center point. Specify the diameter of 10. Specify diameter 10. And again for top radius, D for diameter 10 mm. And select this helix lines up to this top surface. Control Z. Again I made a mistake, so again take helix, specify the diameter 10 mm, diameter 10 mm, and for this height 1 mm. Select turn height and helix, specify the distance between the turns, set it to 1 mm. Now select this midpoint of circle and this point is ready. Now for making the grooves, make a rectangle of diameter 6.6, tab 0.6 mm. Delete REC 0.6, tab 0.6. Go to front view. Let's change it. First of all, change this to axis XY and REC for rectangle 0.6, tab 0.6. Now rotate this to 45 degree. Okay. Now place this rectangle on this endpoint, but we will not be able to find out the endpoints. We can't able to find out the endpoint, so select this 3D solid and go to isolate and hide objects. Control Z, 3D solid, isolate, hide objects. Now place this, move, select this and move this to this endpoint. Now again select this, move to this endpoint. Now make use of sweep command. Sweep, select profile, select path. Okay. Now we have our this geometry ready. So we are going to unhide this extrude portion by selecting this end object isolation. So now we will subtract this helix from this extruded cylinder. So go to subtract, select this 3D solid, subtract, select the object 3D solid, enter this, and our grooves is ready. Now we are going to make this upper part in using the revolve command. So make use of line to create the half section. Take a line of 10 mm, downward 7 mm, sideways 2 mm, and downwards 4 mm. Now join using this polar tracking. Chamfer CHA using the shortcut command. Distance 1 mm, 1 mm, enter. Again use spacebar for repeating the chamfer command. Distance 1 mm, enter, enter. Fillet radius 1 mm. Okay. Now region, select objects, REG for region, enter. Now using the revolve command, select this and select this, enter, double enter. Now we will create helix using the helix from move this sideways and go to this back portion. Move on to this top plane. Top plane and select world here. From this draw panel, select helix, select this circle, select the center point. Now specify diameter 20 mm. Again specify the top diameter to 20 mm. Helix, select this center point, diameter D for diameter 20 mm. Again D for diameter 20 mm, and select number of turns to 0.125, enter. Select this center point now, enter, and our helix portion is ready. Now take a rectangle and move on to top plane. Select 0.3 to Z, REC for rectangle, 0.3 tab 0.3. Now move on, move this to here, and now make use of sweep command. Select this profile and select this path, and we have our helix ready. Now make use of polar array. Select this 3D solid, enter, select this, and number of items to, let's say, here it is given in this image 38. Okay, close array. Now isolate objects, isolate and hide objects. Select this object. Okay, now select all this and mirror. Modify mirror, select objects, enter. First of all, oh, made a mistake. End object isolation. From this modify panel, select mirror and select this all objects. Specify the center line. Erase source object, no. Now subtract. Using subtract command, select this base object and select all this, enter. It's loading because number of items is more, so it will take some time to generate the final object. Okay, now here our knurling section is ready. Now this, rotate this cylinder, rotate from this base point, -90°, enter. Okay, move this to this center point. 3D solid, move this point to this point. It's not able to capture the center point, so move, let it auto off, and place it here. Now make use of union command, select all this and enter. So it is converted into one object. Conceptual, or let it be realistic. Conceptual. Done.